Alright, let's speed cook prawn katsu burgers with golden chips. First, ingredients. 300 grams raw peeled prawns, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons mayo, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 minced garlic clove, a squeeze of lemon, 2 tablespoons corn flour, salt, pepper, coating, flour, beaten egg, panko, sauce, 2 tablespoons mayo, 1 tablespoon ketchup, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire, a dash of soy, pinch of sugar, shredded cabbage, 2 brioche buns, frozen chips, neutral oil for frying. Preheat the oven or air fryer to 220 degrees 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the chips. Tray those up, salt, and get them going now, 15 to 20 minutes. Prawn patties, rough chop 2/3 of the prawns. Finally mince the rest into a paste. This is the glue. Mix prawn paste in chunks. Egg, mayo, soy, ginger, garlic, lemon, corn flour, big pinch of salt, pepper. It should be sticky, not runny. If loose, add a touch more corn flour. Wet hands. Shape 2 thick patties about bun size. Chill them in the freezer for 10 minutes to firm up. Katsu coat time. Set up bowl, flour with a pinch of salt, beaten egg, panko, dust patties in flour, dip in egg. Press into panko till fully covered. Heat 1 to 1.5 centimeter of oil in a skillet to 175 degrees 350 degrees lab. Test with a panko crumb, steady bubbles, not furious. Slide in the patties gently. Fry 3 to 4 minutes per side till deep golden and cooked through. Internal temp, 63 degrees 145 degrees, or cut 1, opaque and springy. Drain on a rack, sprinkle salt. While they rest, buns go in a dry pan with a touch of butter, toast till golden. Stir the sauce, mayo, ketchup, Worcestershire, soy, pinch of sugar, taste, balance tang and sweet. Check chips, shake the tray, finish till crisp and golden. Salt, assemble, bottom bun, spoon of sauce, nest of shredded cabbage, prawn katsu patty on top, more sauce, optional pickles, or a squeeze of lemon. Crown with the top bun, plate with a mountain of chips. Bite test, crunchy panko, juicy prawn, creamy tangy sauce, fresh cabbage, buttery bun. It's like a shrimp burger when on holiday to Tokyo. Quick tips, no prawns, use raw shrimp, same thing. Air fry patties at 200 degrees 390 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. Flip halfway, spray with oil. Gluten-free, use GF panko and flour. Spice it with a drizzle of sriracha in the sauce. You've got prawn katsu burgers and chips, done fast, super crispy, and weeknight friendly. If you cook this, tell me how it went and what you tweaked. Eat while it's hot.